Japan is an incredible destination with something for every traveler. However, for first-time visitors, the variety of transport options, busy stations, and language barrier can be overwhelming. To help you make the most of your first trip, we've put together a list of 15 travel tips. We'll focus on a popular route, starting at one of Japan's major airports, exploring Tokyo, then traveling by bullet train to Kyoto and Osaka. Whether you're a first-timer or an experienced traveler, there's something here for everyone. 1. Take advantage of airport luggage delivery services. Arriving in Japan, one of the first things you'll notice is how convenient it is to send your luggage ahead. Most airports across the country offer luggage delivery services. These services allow you to send your heavy bags to your hotel, a nearby airport, or even a private residence. This means you can travel light and start your adventure without the hassle of dragging heavy luggage through busy stations. 2. Get connected with mobile data. Staying connected while traveling is crucial. The easiest way to get internet access in Japan is by picking up a SIM card for your phone or renting a portable Wi-Fi router at the airport. Many airports have kiosks where you can purchase them right when you arrive. Booking in advance online is another option for a smoother pickup experience. 3. Buy an IC card. To make traveling around Japan as smooth as possible, get yourself an IC card right at the start. These smart cards work on trains, buses, and even in convenience stores for cashless payments. You can buy one at the airport or any major train station, and topping it up is easy at machines or convenience stores. Plus, you can get a small refund when you return the card at the end of your trip. Number 4. Don't forget your rail pass. If you've purchased a Japan Rail Pass or other rail passes, you'll need to pick them up at a JR East Travel Service Center, often located at major airports. Rail passes can significantly reduce the cost of your travel if you're planning to explore multiple cities, especially on the Shinkansen bullet trains. Number 5. Airport to city travel. There are several ways to get from the airport to major cities like Tokyo, Osaka, or Kyoto, and your choice will depend on where you're going and your budget. The quickest and most comfortable options are the express trains like the JR Narita Express or Keisei Skyliner, which head straight to major stations in the city. If you're on a budget, regular trains or buses are available, though they take longer. 6. Find the best accommodation. Japan offers a wide variety of accommodation, from traditional ryokan inns to capsule hotels, hostels, and international hotel chains. Tokyo, for example, has something for everyone. Whether you prefer luxury or budget-friendly options, you'll find a place that suits your style. 7. Buy Shinkansen tickets via smartphone. To save time at the station, purchase your Shinkansen tickets in advance using the SmartX app. It's available in English and allows you to book tickets and even reserve seats easily. You can use your IC card to tap through the gates once you're at the station, making the process even smoother. 8. Navigate busy. Train stations. Train stations in Japan, especially in major cities like Tokyo, can be confusing. Be sure to follow the clear signs leading you to your platform and train line. If you're unsure, station staff are usually helpful and can assist in English, so don't hesitate to ask for directions. 9. Grab an Ekiben, station bento. Before you board the Shinkansen, make sure to grab an Ekiben, station bento, a boxed meal that's available at most major stations. These delicious and often regional meals are perfect for your long train ride and are a great way to try local specialties. 10. Storing luggage on the Shinkansen. On the Shinkansen, there are spaces to store your luggage. Smaller bags can go in the overhead racks, while larger suitcases can be placed at the back of each car or in designated luggage areas. 11. Using the toilets on trains. Japanese trains, including the Shinkansen, are well known for their cleanliness, including the restrooms. You'll find clean and easy-to-access toilets in each train car, so don't worry about missing your chance to freshen up during your trip. 12. Shinkansen Amenities. The Shinkansen offers several amenities for your comfort. Many seats have power outlets so you can charge your devices. Additionally, food carts roam through the train offering snacks and drinks so you don't have to worry about getting hungry on your ride. 13. Enjoy a view of Mount Fuji. If you're traveling on the Tokaido Shinkansen, Try to catch a glimpse of Japan's iconic Mount Fuji. On clear days, you'll have the best views from the window seat on the right side of the train, especially in Car E or D in green car. Make sure to reserve a seat on that side for the best views. 14. Handling luggage at your destination. Many train stations offer luggage delivery and storage services. If you haven't already sent your luggage ahead, you can take advantage of coin lockers or send your luggage to your hotel. Some stations even allow you to use your IC card for lockers. 15. Accessing money in Japan. You'll find currency exchange facilities at airports and many major train stations. ATMs are common throughout Japan, and while not all machines accept international cards, post offices, 7-Eleven stores, and many convenience stores are equipped with ATMs that do. There are countless other tips, but we hope these 15 help you make the most out of your first trip to Japan. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more travel videos. Happy travels!